accompanied by their ever-loving parents, teachers, DepEd representative, PTA officials, barangay officials, our beloved mayor, SB members, and of course, our keynote speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, the positional
into the future, always striving to make a positive impact in the world. We pray for your continued guidance and protection over them as they embark on the new adventures and endeavors. Thank you for the gift of this day and for the bright futures that lie ahead. May you
send a warm welcome to each and every one of you gathered here to celebrate the graduation of the remarkable class of 2023-2024. It's a joyous occasion that marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and growth. To us graduates, to our esteemed faculty, staff, parents, guardians, and distinguished guests, thank you for your unwavering support and guidance throughout this journey. Your belief to us as students has been instrumental in our success. To us graduating class of 2023 to 2024, congratulations! Today is a testament to our perseverance, resilience, and determination as we stand at the threshold of a new chapter in our lives. Remember the lessons learned within these walls and carry them forward with pride and confidence. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2023 to 2024. Thank you.
thank you.